Okay, so moving on to question 5. We're given 3 box plots and the 5 number summaries for them, plus the mean and standard deviation. So question 5 is asking us which of the following statements are true. So let's check each condition and whether or not they are true or false. So part 1, the distribution of scores for section A01 is skewed to the right. So let's check the interval between Q3 and the median and Q1 in order to find out whether or not it's skewed to the right or left. So let's check if it's skewed to the right. So Q3 minus the median for A01. That's going to give me the value of 13. So let's see for the median minus Q1 to see if it's skewed to the left. And we get 67 minus 48, which is 19. So because we're covering a larger interval to the left of the median versus the smaller interval to the right of the median, we know that it's going to be skewed to the left. So this is false. So number 1 is false. So let's check number 2. About 50 students in section A02 received a score higher than 71. So here, A02, we have 200 students, and we know that 71 is our third quartile. So here, we have, so 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. So third quartile covers this amount. So we want to know whether or not it scores higher than 71. So we want the area above, so we want this area. So interest, because this is greater than 71. So in order to do that, we do 1 minus 0.75, which gives me the area above the 75th percentile times n, which is equal to 200, and I get 50. So this is correct. So last but not least, question number 3, or part number 3, if we constructed outlier box plots, we would see that there's at least one outlier in section A03. So in order for us to do that, we need to figure out our lower fence and upper fence for A03. So in order to do that, we need to find the IQR. A03, so the IQR is going to give me be Q3 minus Q1, which is going to be 95 or 66 minus 49. And that gives me 17. So the LF, or lower fence, is going to be equal to Q1 minus 1.5 times 17. And that's going to be 23.5. And then upper fence is going to be equal to Q3 plus 1.5 times 17. That's going to give me 91.5. So looking at the min and the max for A03, we can see that since our max is greater than the upper fence, we know that there's going to be at least an outlier there. So it's going to be at least one here. But we know that since our minimum does not is not below 23.5, we know that there's 0 outliers to the left. So statement number 3 is correct. So the answer here should be 2 and 3. So the answer choice is D.